Okay, I'm joined by Eric. Eric, what do we have here?
Well, JD, here we have the HVAC Technician Aluminum Coil Repair Kit.
Oh.
This includes products to repair aluminum coils and join aluminum and copper joints in HVACR systems.
Okay, so what makes this so special?
This kit is small, it's inexpensive for a technician to carry on their truck, and is easily refillable with supplies when you need more.
Okay, so typically these are for HVAC contractors?
Absolutely, yes.
Gotcha. Awesome. Is there anything else you can tell us about this case? Looks pretty nice.
Yeah, it's a nice little case. It includes all the pieces you're going to need to brush, okay. 2 different types of rods, a rag, instructions,
nice.
And some flux inside of here as well. So everything, all you need, all in one, easy to handle, easy to locate kit.
Wow, really good. In and out, just like that. You got the whole kit. Perfect.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, Eric. I appreciate it. This product is available on the Jackson Systems website, or you can call in and order straight from one of our reps.